Good morning, my dear children. Today we discuss about properties of acids. Acids react with the metal oxides. What do you mean by metal oxides? Some metals combined with oxygen to form metal oxides. Metals combined with oxygen to form metal oxides. Acids react with the metal oxides. Acids react with the metal oxides. CaO, that is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. It is a metal oxide. Calcium react with oxygen to form calcium oxide. Calcium oxide react with the HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Then we get salt and water. Here we get CaCl2 plus H2O. Calcium chloride and water. Calcium oxide is a metal oxide. Metal oxide react with the acid to form salt and water. Calcium oxide plus HCl gives CaCl2 plus H2O. Another example, CaO react with H2SO4. Calcium oxide react with the sulfuric acid. We get calcium sulfate, that is CaSO4 plus H2. CaSO4 plus H2. Calcium oxide react with sulfuric acid. We get CaSO4 plus H2O. CaSO4 plus H2O. Another example, CuO, that is copper oxide react with HCl. Copper oxide react with HCl. Copper react with oxygen to form copper oxide. Copper oxide react with HCl. We get copper chloride, that is CuCl2 plus H2O. CuCl2 plus H2O. Copper oxide. Copper react with oxygen to form copper oxide. Copper oxide react with HCl. We get copper chloride and water. Metal oxides react with the acids. Acids react with the metal oxide. We get salt and water. The next is neutralization reaction. Acids react with the base. Acid react with the base. Acid react with the base. The previous classes you already learned acids react with the base. Such reaction or such a process is called neutralization reaction. Acids react with the base to form salt and water. Acid react with the base to form salt and water. NaOH plus. NaOH means sodium hydroxide react with HCl. Base plus acid to form salt, NaCl plus H2O. NaCl plus H2O. NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O. Acid react with the base to form salt and water. Acid react with the base, that time acid disappears their properties. Okay, acids react with the base. The last property is conductivity. The last property is conductivity. The solution of acid in water to conduct electricity. The solution of acid in water conduct electricity. Okay. First one, acid sour taste. Acids have sour taste. Second one, acid turns blue litmus into red color. To give red color in methyl orange solution, it is corrosive in nature. Then fifth one, Acid react with metals, then we get metal, salt and hydrogen gas. Then sixth one, acid react with metal carbonate or bicarbonate, we get salt and carbon dioxide gas. The next one is metal, acids react with metal oxide, we get salt and water. Then acids react with base to form salt and water. The last one is conductivity. Okay, thank you.